Hey, what's up guys? Same day, just trying to put this downpipe in here. Update on what I've got done. I've got some bolts from the downpipe here off. Yeah, it's getting kind of dark so you guys really can't see, but I'll bring you guys under the car. I got propane here because, let me line real quick. Yeah, working on the floor sucks. But I have to hit these bolts here. I gotta get those out. That one. And then the other one there. And as you can see, they're rusted out. And I don't think it's gonna be easy because I took these out. These connect like the second half of the downpipe because this is a two-piece design from stock. And those were a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna hit this with propane, heat it up. Hopefully it comes out easy. I got some power tools with me, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. I won't be able to film as much since I want to get everything done quickly because I'm starting to lose light here. I broke a bolt though up there, but it's stuck on the old downpipe, so it doesn't matter. And I have a bunch of these bolts just laying around, so that won't be a problem. But yeah guys, I'll come back once I have the downpipe out. Alright guys, so it's the next day here. I couldn't film much because I needed to get it done, and it was getting dark, and it took me, I think I started around like 7 or 6 or 5. I think I started around like 5 or 6, and then I ended up finishing like around 9:30. It was a pain in the ass. It literally kicked my ass. Hold on, let me get some light. But you see that background? It's down there. I got it in finally. Wasn't too hard. Fitment was perfect. No issues there. Performance wise, with this is the exhaust manifold, and the downpipe is in there. I'll get under the car and show you guys better in a later video. But car's a lot smoother now. Pulls a little bit harder, of course. You know, I had a huge exhaust leak, you know, coming from here, and even down there by the downpipe there was an exhaust leak, so definitely pulls better, sounds better, and everything. But yeah guys, downpipe literally kicked my ass because with the turbo I got, there's a bolt. I don't even know how to explain this. Hold on, let me show you guys the old one actually, so I can explain this better. So as you guys see, the, you know, it's pretty small here. Right, this is the second part of the downpipe. Oh, the stock mouth is actually pretty wide itself. But yeah, this heat shield was a bitch. This whole thing was just not cool. But so this goes onto the turbo, right? And like this bolt here, that one there, is a pain to get to because the back side of the turbo is actually too big. So as you can see, this one's cut. I had to cut it to make a nut fit in there. So the same story, I had to find a short bolt that threaded in to the downpipe that I got. So that was the only most difficult part. And then I was getting like a bit of an exhaust leak because the gaskets didn't. The gasket that I got from Depo Racing was actually too big, so I had to get. Luckily, I had a smaller ones. Have like an assortment of, you know, exhaust gaskets here. So luckily I found 2. See, this was the old one. You see it was leaking from right there. But this is one that Depo came. You see it was huge. It just didn't cover because I still have the stock cat. So I believe they probably thought, you know, if I'm getting the downpipe, I have a high flow cat or something. But I will get a high flow cat soon. Full exhaust coming soon. So that will be installed too. Yeah guys, I'm just going for full bolt-on, so stay tuned for the next video.